Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to use keyboard shortcuts. Some of them you might know, but I hope I have some new ones for you also. Memorizing keyboard shortcuts can speed up your work considerably. Number 1. Copy Ctrl-C, cut Ctrl-X, and paste Ctrl-V. Select what you want to copy and press Ctrl-C. Position your cursor to where you want to paste the item and press Ctrl-V. With Ctrl-X, you can delete items in one place and transfer them to another. Number 2. With Undo Ctrl-Z, you can reverse actions you have done by mistake, for example deleting something. If the action was correct after all, you can repeat it with Redo Ctrl-Y. Number 3. With Select All, Ctrl-A, you will select the whole text, for example to increase the letter size. Number 4. Use Ctrl-P to change the selected item to bold, and Ctrl-I to change to italic. With Ctrl-U, underline, select the line style that will immediately appear under your highlighted item. This concludes our video about using keyboard shortcuts. You can find a lot more on cheat sheets on the internet. In your daily work, you can find them in the drop-down menus of the toolbar. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions for improvement, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to answer any comment. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.